Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using LitCommerce app. In this video, we will show you how to set up BigCommerce Etsy integration using LitCommerce, so you can easily bulk list products from BigCommerce to Etsy or import your Etsy listings back into BigCommerce in just minutes. Let's get into it. Step 1. Connect BigCommerce to Etsy. Let's begin by connecting BigCommerce as your first platform. The first way, you can start right in your BigCommerce dashboard. Head to the BigCommerce app marketplace, search for LitCommerce, and install the app. The second way starts inside LitCommerce. After logging into your account, you'll see the Connect Your First Platform screen. Go to the Shopping Cart section and click the BigCommerce logo. Then choose Connect Your Account. From here, you'll be redirected to BigCommerce. Just click Install. Then confirm to grant LitCommerce access to your store. Once that's done, click here to head back to LitCommerce, where your BigCommerce store becomes your main store. With that connected, let's link your Etsy store. From this dashboard, locate Etsy and click its logo. Enter your Etsy store name, then click Connect Your Account. And that's it. You've successfully connected BigCommerce to Etsy. LitCommerce comes with a 7-day free trial, so you can test everything out before committing. Now, let's move to step 2. List and import products on Etsy. First case, you haven't sold on Etsy yet and want to list your BigCommerce products there. LitCommerce gives you two options, Quick Publish and Manual Publish. Let's start with the basics. Manual Publish. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the All Products tab. Here, select the BigCommerce products you want to list on Etsy. Click Select Action, then choose Add to Channel Drafts. Tick the box next to your Etsy store and hit Add as Draft now. Your products will then appear as draft listings in the Etsy tab. Since Etsy may require different information than BigCommerce, you can review and optimize your listings here, including the title, description, and other details before publishing. For the description specifically, LitCommerce offers an AI-powered tool that helps you create optimized, Etsy-ready descriptions in seconds, with no manual writing required. You can also fill in any required information, such as category or shipping details, to make sure your listings match Etsy's requirements. When everything looks good, click Save and Publish to Etsy to publish the product right away. One thing to keep in mind, Etsy charges a listing fee of 20 cents per item, so this applies each listing you publish. Once published successfully, your product will appear in the Active tab, or you can find it directly on your Etsy store. Moreover, if you want to edit multiple products at once, you also can use the Quick and Auto List to Etsy feature. This allows you to select multiple products at once and edit shared details, like categories or shipping information, for all of them at once, making the whole listing process much faster than going one by one. For a detailed walkthrough, check out our dedicated video on Quick and Auto List, linked in the description below. Besides publishing products from BigCommerce to Etsy, you can also bring your existing Etsy listings into BigCommerce with LitCommerce. On your Etsy channel, click Import from Etsy. You will see several import options, such as auto-linking products by SKU or UPC, and filtering which products to import. For example, I choose to import active and draft listings. After selecting the settings that fit your needs, click Begin Import. Wait a moment, and the imported products will appear in your Etsy store inside LitCommerce. From here, select the listings you want to add to BigCommerce, click Select Action, then choose Create on BigCommerce. Once complete, you can find these imported items in the All Products tab, or view them directly on your BigCommerce store. Now let's move to case 3. You have the same products on both BigCommerce and Etsy and want to link them together. If you enabled auto-link during import, successfully linked products are marked with a blue dot. Listings that aren't linked yet show a red icon. To link an unlinked listing, simply hover over the product, choose Link to a Product. LitCommerce will help you find matching items. If not, enter the name or the SKU of the product you want to link to. Then, click Select beside the matching item on BigCommerce. As soon as your product link is complete, you can see that the red icon has been changed to blue. Besides listing and importing products, you can also set up BigCommerce Etsy Sync with LitCommerce, so your store data, like price and inventory, always stays consistent across both platforms. To set up this sync, first go to the All Products tab, click Settings, and turn on Automatic Update. This lets any product changes made in BigCommerce sync to LitCommerce first, so those updates can then be pushed to your Etsy store later. After that, go to your Etsy channel and click Channel Settings in the top right corner to view the Etsy syncing options. Here, enable Price Sync so your Etsy prices update automatically based on your BigCommerce products. You can also create price rules to increase or decrease Etsy prices by a fixed amount or percentage, for example, adding 5% to cover marketplace fees. Similarly, turn on Inventory Sync, so LitCommerce automatically updates Etsy quantities to match your BigCommerce store, so you never oversell. You can also create inventory rules to adjust Etsy stock or set minimum and maximum stock limits. Finally, let's learn how to manage Etsy orders when you set up BigCommerce Etsy integration with LitCommerce. Scroll down to the Order section and enable Import Orders to Main Store. This allows LitCommerce to pull your Etsy orders into your BigCommerce dashboard, so you can manage all your orders in one place, quickly and efficiently. You can also enable additional options for imported orders based on how you work, like import orders with unlinked products. Once everything's set, click Save Settings at the bottom of the page to apply your changes. And that's how to set up BigCommerce Etsy integration using LitCommerce. If you want to expand your BigCommerce store further, LitCommerce also supports other marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, TikTok Shop, and more. Finally, if you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more multi-channel selling guides. Thanks for watching and happy selling!